Welcome to our video showcasing the exquisite artistry of Jean-Léon Gérôme, a master painter of the 19th century whose works continue to captivate audiences with their precision, detail, and dramatic storytelling. Known for his remarkable ability to depict historical and Oriental themes with stunning accuracy and vivid realism, Gérôme's paintings remain iconic in the world of art. Thank you for watching this video. If you're looking to transform your space with unique and stylish wall art, be sure to check out our sponsor, the Luxury Art Collection. The Luxury Art Collection offers an amazing selection of wall art pieces that will add a touch of elegance and personality to any room in your home. Whether you love soothing landscapes, vibrant abstract works, or inspiring photographs, you're sure to find something that suits your style. To explore all their stunning creations, click on the link in the description and get inspired. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below letting me know which wall art piece you love the most. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon in the next video.